In this video, I will show you how you can fix if Wi-Fi calling is not available on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the phone app, then tap on the three dots over here. From this menu, just go to Settings. Under the call settings, just scroll down, and over here you should find the option for Wi-Fi calling. Now just tap on it, and over here just enable the toggle for Wi-Fi calling, just like that. Now, if you're unable to find the Wi-Fi calling option in this section, now this is happening because of two reasons. Either Samsung does not support Wi-Fi calling in your specific region, or your service provider has not enabled Wi-Fi calling for your service plan. Now, first of all, just make sure that Samsung supports Wi-Fi calling in your region. Now, after that, just contact your service provider and ensure that they have enabled Wi-Fi calling on your specific service plan. Now, after you do that, then you will find the Wi-Fi calling option in this section and you'll be able to use Wi-Fi calling on your phone. And also, if you're using a very old SIM card, it might lack the Wi-Fi calling feature. So just replace your SIM card with a new one and this will hopefully fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.